I don't know. The mist still stands. No one can get in, and no one has since come out.
So we're safe.
Yes, but the forest could wake again, and we must be prepared for whatever danger it may bring.
And on that note, how about we say goodnight to your father?
Oh, but I still have so many questions.
Save them for another night, Anna.
You know I don't have that kind of patience. Why didn't a soldier attack us anyway? Who attacks people who give them gifts?
Do you think the forest will wake again?
Only Atta Holland knows.
After who what?
When I was little, my mother would sing a song about a special river called Atta Holland that was said to hold all the answers about the past, about what we are a part of.
Will you sing it for us, please?
Okay, cuddle close, scooch in.
Where the north wind meets the sea, there's a river full of memory. Sleep, my darling, safe and sound, for in this river all is found. In her waters, deep and true, lie the answers and a path for you. Dive down deep into her sound, but not too far or you'll be drowned. Yes, she will sing to those who hear, and in her song all magic flows. But can you brave what you most fear? Can you face what the river knows? Where the north wind meets the sea, there's a mother full of memory. Come, my darling, homeward bound, when all is lost.